Welcome back to PCTV, and on this segment of Indispensibles, we are going to do something that's very, very useful. We're going to go to a website where you can compare energy prices.
Yeah, to find the best plans. Australia has some very expensive utilities.
Don't we though?
Yeah, with questionable reliability, but the Australian government's put together a site called Energy Made Easy.
Yep.
And it looks pretty good.
Yep. Now there are all these other sites that you can use to compare, but this one is from the government and it's free and it doesn't have any kind of biases towards any particular provider, and so that's why we wanted to basically showcase that one first. So you go to the website energymadeeasy.gov.au or just Google Energy Made Easy, right? And straight away on the first page is a really simple interface which has as the first tab compare energy offers. So what you do is you just simply click on that. You'd say we're looking for home in this instance, and I'll put in any old postcode, which is Norwood, that one there, and then we're looking for both electricity and gas. Okay, and so then it tells you, right, what type of electricity tariff, and they've got like explanations for each one. They've got times of use for each one, and if you're not sure, then you can just click on that and say, I'm not sure.
Oh, we'll go through it. We're not sure.
Do you have a controlled load for your hot water and another? I don't know. What is a controlled load? We can ask them. Oh, right. Electricity is supplied to specific appliances such as electricity, hot water, and slab underfoot. Right, whatever.
Oh, that are separately metered. I see.
Ah, right. Yeah, yeah.
So most houses, I would think, no.
We'll say no.
Yep.
Do you have a kilowatt hour usage from a recent bill? No. And then it says, so I like the way that it asks you a question and then that answer leads on to the next question. That's very cool. Yeah. Would you like us to estimate your usage? No. Oh, okay, we'll say yes then. Okay, how many people live in your home? 1. Do you have a pool? No. I wish I had a pool, especially on a day like tonight. It's quite warm outside. It'd be nice. I have mains gas connected. Yes, I do. Is your gas usage? No, I don't have any. No, I don't have any from my recent bill. All right, let's just say that I do then. And then you can put in start date, end date, and how much you use. So obviously you need to have a past bill present. And once you type in those little, those stats, then it will be able to give you an estimate of what your usage is and then go through and show you all the different suppliers and what they're offering and what would be best for you.
Sure.
So if you're feeling, and we all do, if you feel that you're being ripped off, right, or that you feel that, because I know that there are certain energy companies that will give you a lovely little introductory offer. Yeah. Right, and then that offer sunsets, and you're not actually really told that offer.
You turn around, and then all of a sudden.
Yeah, and then all of a sudden you're paying the highest rate that you possibly can. Now, it's up to you really to go through and make sure that you're paying the lowest amount you can. It's not really, although they're trying to change this. I know that there's legislation coming through where they're trying to make it so that the energy providers have to let the customers know if they're on an introductory offer, which is a special discount rate. If that's going to end, they want them to let us know, and that wouldn't that be useful? Be very useful. But for your own peace of mind, you can just go through and go into the site, type in all of the relevant details, and find out whether or not you're being ripped off, and find out if there are other energy providers that can offer you a better deal. Yeah. Because as they always say, shop around.
Yes, caveat emptor.
Yes, shop around, buyer beware, all that sort of thing. Make sure that you get the best possible deal that you possibly can. And this website, we feel, is a fantastic step in that process.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
So it's an indispensable that we like. It's called Energy Made Easy. It's a government website, very easy to